Okay, question 9, bit of Python, bit of programming, two parts. Part A, what are variables in programming? Part B, find all the variables in the Python code below. So pause the video, have a think about the answers, have a go at it, come back, press play, see how you get on. So part A, what are variables in programming? So we use variables to identify data that we're storing, and they're kind of like labels. So variables are words that identify data we're storing. So for example, name equals Fred. So the variable is called name, and that identifies the data that's being stored, which in this case is Fred. So variables are just names that we use in our code to help remember different values that we wish to process, that we wish to work with in our code. Okay. Find all the variables in the Python code below. So we're looking for words that we're using to identify pieces of data. So if we have a look here, we've got a class type that's got the value first, size, that's got the value medium, weight, that's got the value 88. So we've got three variables here. Let's have a look. So we're looking for any more. So we've already got class type, size, weight. We've already got price equals 1.65. So that's also a variable. So there are 4 variables in this code. And one other little clue to look or to use when you're trying to work out if something is a variable is if we look for single equals. What that means is that we're assigning this value to the variable. So a single equals is also a clue that you can use to look for variables in code. Remember, the double equals here is just a comparison. So we're not creating a variable, we're just comparing it with something else. Okay, so there's the answer. So we've got class type, size, weight, and price. Okay, so let's stop this one and then on to the next one. Thank you very much.